So hello everyone, this is the part 2 of Go Incognito video. In this video, I will be telling you how to access the incognito mode in Chrome browser in Windows and in Android phone. So without any delay, let's get started. But before that, if you have not watched our first part of the video, then visit our channel or find the video. In that video, I have told what is incognito mode and what are the benefits of incognito mode. So without any delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna click on this Chrome browser in my window. So this is the normal Chrome window you will find out when you open the Chrome browser. So after that opening, you have to click on these three dots in the top right corner and you will find the option that is new incognito window. So click on that icon and then here is the new incognito window. In this incognito window, whatever you search, the history will not be saved. By any chance, if someone comes to your room, you have to just click on this cross button to close the incognito window and your history will not be saved and you are safe from any type of snooping from your family members. So that is it for incognito mode in Windows. So now let's start the same thing in the Android phone. So now let's access the incognito mode in Chrome browser in Android phones. So for that you have to click on the Chrome browser. In the top right corner there are three dots and you have to click on these three dots and you will find the new incognito tab on the second option. You have to click on that. So after that whatever I search will not also be recorded in the screen record because incognito mode is so secure that it will not capture your mobile screen also. So I'm gonna search for Netflix. So if someone enters your room, you have to just click on the home button and in the title bar you have to click on the close all incognito tab. All your history will be erased and you are safe from snooping. So that's it for today.